Okay, guys, let's get straight right into this recap. I'm gonna open it with a Twitter. Someone
They said
says,
whoever is a script writer for hashtag Itonga is doing a terrible job. I said it. Can we have a replacement fast? Honestly, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more because I am so confused, guys. One thing about Itonga, like, if you need a confusing South African drama, my advice, go and watch Itonga. Please go, okay? We have not even, according to our best knowledge, the Sanele that we see is Banele, right? Okay, but then where is the real Sanele? Like, I haven't seen the real Sanele in like forever. We will see him like in a shadow place, whatever, but now we have not even been shown him. Okay, and the craziest part about this is Banele coming into his senses that he needs to protect the Dladlas Kabombali. This is even more confusing because you are like, who are you? Are you now Sanele? Because why are you now behaving in the way that Sanele would behave? Like, oh, Sana, ndi confused. Like, I'm confused. And the sad part is that I have to come here and give you guys the review. What should I say? What should I say when I myself am confused? But anyway, Ntanzi is being put into stop order. Gesana. We are placing a stop order on Ntanzi because tell me why Ntanzi has been abusing the Dladlas with asking money, like unreasonable amount of money from the Dladlas. I'm so glad that Usanele is actually coming through for the Dladlas and being like, no, this cannot be it. This cannot be it. You know, this money of protection is uncalled for. It's too much. Some people cannot even afford it. You know, some people cannot even afford such amount of money for protection, and we don't even know what are we being protected for. You know what I mean? Like, what is this protection money for? We need protection for what, you know? So when it comes to that, I give it to him. Okay. The fights that he went into with the Pinda, like, I was so shocked. You know, Uzama is like, hi bo Sanele, you know. When Sanele got into a fight with Pinda, I'm here for it. Like, I'm here for it because honestly, how Pinda has been treating the Dladlas is uncalled for. It's inhumane. Like, oh, like, ang understanding nje tu ukuthi uNtanzi umfundisana uPhinda, like, understand ndi confused, like, ubadelela kanjani abantu abadala, like, abadeleli abantu abadala, oh, like, abantu abadala ubadeleli, you know. So when Sanele got into it with uPhinda, I'm like, he had it long coming. This one had its long coming, like, it has been coming. Finally, thank you so much, Wena Sanele, for doing what's right, because right now you did what's right. However, the shady storyline of Inimba, like, I'm also trying to just figure it out and just be like, what is happening in this series? Like, it's a lot to unpack in just one day. Sana.
Usanele is so scared, and he does admit to you know what, I don't know, but I am failing. But he does not want to give up at this point. He's just like, listen, I have to keep this through. I have to keep pushing. This is a family business. I cannot just let a family business go just like that. Okay, so Umbali uyabuza la ukuthi but i-plan, what's the plan? Do you have a plan? You know, what are you gonna exit? Usanele says, you know what, he has been thinking perhaps he should go and see Ntanzi. Yo, Mbali doesn't like that idea, you know. Mbali doesn't like that idea because you know, they are still mourning the death of her auntie, and Mbali lana uyasho ukuthi, like, sadden about everything that has happened, like, impathe kakubi indaba leyo ukuthi things, you know, transpired the way that they transpired. Like, she is sad, you know, she is so sad. And she says that Uzama also came and visited them, just to disrespect them, and guys, I don't know. I feel like Usanele have a story to tell about the passing of Mbali's auntie, because every time that topic is brought up, he kind of seemed jumpy. So this definitely means I have missed like an episode. It means I have missed an episode, because why is Sanele, every time the topic is brought up, he is jumpy. Every time the topic is brought up, he is jumpy. Like, he is so jumpy at this point. So it makes me wonder, did I miss something? Did I perhaps not get something? Something was skipped, So Uzama, Zama does, like, not Zama, rather Mbali does just show ukuthi yazini yena nje at this point in her life, she is drained and tired, and tired about the dances, and just advises her husband to stay as far away as possible from the dances. But also Usanele at this point feels like he needs the dances, and also cannot tell Mbali something. It's when someone wants to disclose but can't disclose, it's giving Usanele. Meanwhile, Kesana Untogozo Sana he is suffering of the guilt of selling his own auntie to the dances, because it happens that Untogozo owes the dances something, and then dances was like, Ntogozo Sana, it's time to pay up. So Untogozo have been giving the dance family some information about Wantwabo Utulsile, who is she working with, what's the plan, this and that. Okay, so now it turns out, because after all the information that Nendanzis wanted, they wanted information after information about Utulsile. Now Utulsile turns up dead. The guilt in Ntogozo, like he felt so much guilt. He felt like he betrayed and sold his aunties kumabhubesi awontanzi. And Gesana, he decided to go and confront Upinda, and Upinda is just like, lalela, angiyena nje mina umngani wakho, awungibizi kanjalo, and nje you don't even think ukuthi mina nawe sabangani nangelilodwa ilanga. So therefore ngicela nje ungenzele leyo favor ukuthi ungaphindi ungibize kanjalo. But then Untogozo is here to confront Upinda about Ilontuzana, about the passing of his auntie. He's sure ukuthi the person who did it is Upinda. Of course Pinda denies and say, what do you mean? Tina, like, haya singabantu abalungile, aba rights, who run businesses. Why would you even assume ukuthi Tina singaba babulali? Like, Sana, are you even thinking at this moment? He's just like, I'm gonna deny and deny almost everything. I'm not gonna confess to anything, And he does warn Untogozo lan, because Ntogozo, if you know what's good for you, baby, if you know what's good for you, of course you're gonna go. Don't ever think you can come back here, confront me in any way. Okay, Shame Ntogozo wabantu who is powerless and who is being threatened by Upinda. He feels once again he has failed his family, of which Nkosi yami bandla Untogozo uyileyo ngane ethi iyazama but ingazameki. When you're trying so much to want to save your family or be there for your family, but each and every time, whenever you're trying to execute a plan, it just fails, It just fails and keep on failing. So Untogozo, Nkosam, that's Ntogozo's life right now. That's Ntogozo's life. He's trying so hard to keep it together, but then he is failing. he is failing in all aspects of his life. Whenever he's just like, let me keep it together, it's never holds. It's never holds, Gesana. And he ended up just finding himself in shenanigans of working with Untanzi Maranai Untogozo. What was he thinking in the first place? Why would he think Untanzi is a good fit for a young boy like him? But then again, he thought he was helping his family, who was in crisis at the time, even though his father clearly told him, ukuthi lalela mfana wami, angiyifuni into ehlanganise nabantu bakaNtanzi. But now he found himself in hot water, having to deal with Upinda. And Upinda is just like, lalela boy, next time I won't be so kind to you. Next time I won't be so kind to you. So you better know your story. You better know, Gusi, I am not the one. Don't even think, Ugusi Mina, I'm the one to play with or to mess with. I am not the one, babe. I am not the one. So, obviously, Untogozo goes back home with a heavy heart. As always, what can a young boy like Ntogozo do towards a big man like Pinda? Absolutely nothing, obviously. He was never going to be able to do anything. So he goes back home and Upinda just closes the door. Now, in our next scene, we see Uzama. Like her name, Gesana, like her name, baby girl is trying her luck, and she has been that baby girl who is trying so hard, She has just been trying her luck. So now she decided to I know upribe Upinda, and it seems like Uzama uyazi ngosami ukuthi Upinda ubribishwa kanjani. So Uzama lana uyasho ukuthi lalela Pinda, ngihappy ukuthi ubaba wak-adopta wakuhlala nathi, like ayikho into engenza ngibe happy njengaleyo. So you're more like a brother to me and all that, and I appreciate you so much, And obviously Upinda nkosiyami uyayithandela uMbali, so every time he gets a compliment yokuthi uMbali uyam appreciate and uyayibona effort yakhe nento akayenzela ifamily yakhe, Upinda uvele blushing. So ke uMbali lana uyambuza kuPhinda ukuthi engani uyazi ke ukuthi uyasebenza la nobaba nihlale nibheka indaba ze-interest nani. uPhinda uyasho ukuthi lalela, ave ngikuthanda ukusebenza nobaba wakho, ngiyakujabulela ngenhliziyo yami yonke, Hayi ke uMbali inkosi yami ohlezi nje content ngoSanele uyabuza ke lana ukuthi manje uSanele kuzoyenzakalani ngaye ngoba phela indaba le imali yamanzi, ithenda le yamanzi. Uphinda uSimbali kuni ngikutshela ukuthi iphuma lapho, it's what the wena awufuni, ngiyakutshela ngiyaku-explainela, ngiyakuchazela, ngiyakuncenga ukuthi iphuma endabeni zakwaMagwaza, like yekela ukulandela lo mfana wakwaMagwaza ngemuva, still awufuni ukuzwa, wena nje uyifunela umfana wakwaMagwaza. So angazi ukuthi sekumele ngenze njani at this point, angazi ukuthi kumele ngenze njani kuze uzwe understand ukuthi umfana wakwaMagwaza, he is bad news for you, muyeke. Hi. Uzama obviously denies and just says, no, I'm just concerned. Kahle bakwenzana abafana bakwaMagwaza, awungitsheli kahle. Awukwazi phela ukuthi wena wonke umuntu wakwaMagwaza uyakukonsenta, wonke umuntu wakwaMagwaza uyakukonsenta. Usungazeke uphume nendaba usho ukuthi no, abantu bakwaMagwaza ngihypnotized ngalendlela nami engayi understand. It's Leona, Hey, Nkosami, I feel so sorry for Upinda in a way, even though like Upinda, like uyadinga naye, in also a way, but I also in a way ngiyamzwela because I feel like shame Sam poor Pinda who is being used by Umbali over and over and over again. Probably it's not nice, it's not the nicest thing ever to feel used by someone, over and over and over and over again. it couldn't be the nicest thing ever. Anyway, guys, back to abakamagwaza onjinji. After ke uSanele have lost the big tenders, you know, Gadlaza wafika wamsusa wathi lalela mfana suka la esikhundleni, suka nje esikhundleni samadoda, kuhlala amadoda lana akuhlali nje la mthuthu, so nje do yourself that huge favor usuke la, you know. So after all those things that has happened, you know, Sanele feels so bad, you know, he's failing so many people, he's failing his family, he's failing employees, he's failing almost everyone just felt failed by him. He therefore decided to call upon uSanele and be like, Sanele bro, I mean, Bandile, and be like, Bandile bro, I need you. Is it Bandile or Banele? Ubanele, yes, Ubanele. And be like, Banele bro, I need you and I need you now. You know, because I am failing the family business. Without you, everything is just sinking, bro. You knew what to do. You knew how to run this business. Mina, I don't. So yeah, Ubanele ke wavela. Wathi, okay, it's fine, bro. If we are dinga come, let me lead you somewhere, okay? So it seems like umlidele esizibeni. And it happens with esizibeni lapho they swap body. No, not bodies. Like umzimba kusaso kaSanele, but the spirits that is within the body esikabanele. And therefore, it seems like ubanele yes uyaphila njengokuthi umzimba wakhe but the spirits that is within akusone sakhe esikabanele. So everyone is going to notice the change within uSanele's behavior. Everyone is just going to be like, is this the Sanele that we ordered? And also umuntu akazofuna ukumbona ulontuzana uSanele as soon as he's returned back to earth. Igugu lakhe uzama, and uzama is going to be just so shocked ukuthi hayibo Sanele, what has changed? Because everyone is still going to address him as uSanele. Ukuthi hayibo Sanele, what has changed? Yindaba manje, why aren't you in love with Umbali wena nani? Speaking of Umbali naye uzoshokheka ngendlela eyisimanga, realizing ukuthi hayibo Kayzini umuntu wakhe uSanele akasabehave ngendlela ade behavior ngayo, like ushintshile, you know, ushintshile completely. And not only Umbali ozoba naleyo nto, even uMakhumalo naye, you know, uzofila leyo nto ukuthi hayibo uSanele lona, like akuseyena lo Sanele lo abamaziyo nabamjwayele nani nje useshintshile. Lana kena siyabona futhi ukuthi uSanele uzofuna ukuyiphindiselela ezitheni zakhe ugadla, but it is said ukuthi akayona bandla indoda etatazelayo, ngeze efuna ukutatazela mayiphindiselela uzofuna nje ukuyishaya kancane nge-slow break, engambonisi ugadla ukuthi uzoyiphindiselela, but eventually uSanele uzoziphindiselela and ugadla ngathi uzoba no more indaba kagadla nje kuzoba indaba engasekho vele mangabe uSanele esedecide ukuziphindiselela. Ezibhlungu ke yizo zona lezo ukuthi Umbali have ezolahlekelwa yindoda. And after ke ulontuzana uBanele selwile walithola back ifamily business, kuthiwa ke now uyamazi ke umuntu nomona into eyodwa into yengizokwazi ukuyihlukanisa. So therefore yasho lana ukuthi uSanele ye uzoba nomona engasafuna ukubuyela emzimbeni wakhe wakudala, efune ukuhlala enethezeke ehlale kamnandi peace of life emzimbeni kaSanele engasafuni. And also it is said ukuthi futhi ulontuzana uBanele uzofuna ukuthi umuntu oshonayo kube uSanele, yena esale evuke ephile ngokuphelele. Yay guys, umona emhlabeni. So ke asazi ke noma uba uSanele uzoyiregretha na i-decision yakhe yokudecide ukusamona bad spirits. Because also in a way he has something to do with this, because he did call upon uSanele wathi akavuke. Wavuka ngempela ke bandlu banele. So anyway guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, you would give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one, when of course I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.